Yeah, good morning, guys. We are going to be going through important texture. You when you have a material you want to import or a color you want to import or texture, and you notice it is not in your ArchiCAD, you want to bring it in your ArchiCAD. This, this we have a method to do that. So this is very easy. You just before you do that, you make sure you browse, get the texture through your browser. You know, it's either a dark tiles, black and white tiles, or whatever texture you want to just browse it and search for it online and download it. When you download it on your computer, you simply go and you on your ArchiCAD, you simply go to option. Why we are going through this is we want to get something like a black and white uh, curve, for this design. Yeah, we can also do other design that it's not black and white, but for that reason, let's first of all go through importation of texture first before we go through other way of modeling our curve and the rest. So you just go to option, then you go to this element attribute. This element attributes, you click here, you go to this surface. When you click surface, you can see we have our black and white tiles here already, which we imported. But no, this is just black, which we imported. But in this case, we want to import another. So you first of all go to here. When you click to this surface, it will bring you this dialog. Then you click here and make sure you your this place is on block stonework 2. You just click the stonework 2 to show you this dialog. Then you make sure here it's on engine, basic engine. You click on basic engine. If it's not on basic engine, you change it to basic engine. Then you go here, say new. You click on new, then you change this. So maybe you say you change it to black and white. You change that. Then when you have gotten black and white scribe ties, let's leave it. Just make sure you know the name. Then you make sure this duplicate is clicked. So you just say okay. When you say okay, you go to this texture. You click this browse. You go to browse. So this browse is going to take you to where you will download that texture. You see it like this. You say add. You click to this add. Then you find your black and white. Let's assume it's not here. So you find it wherever you save it. Let's see if we have anything like black and white. I think we have something like that. Black and white. Black and white. Okay. Just make sure you know the name you save it with. So this is our black and white eyes. You have seen it, it has come here. Immediately it's come here, you just say okay. And you have gotten your black and white ties. Then you go down here to this alpha channel effect. You go here and you make sure this sticks. You make sure this surface is thick, this ambit is thick, and this thumb mount is thick. Then you can change this. Change this. You may continue to change it with time, you know. So you change this to one. Let's say 50. So okay. Say 50. It's okay. Go to black and white. So let's see what to do next. Okay. You can see this color. It has changed to black and white. So I think we wanted to change this for the blonde here. Let's see black and white. You can see it has changed. You can see the black and white. So we are going to use this black and white in our model, uh, in our curves. So this is how you can change your material. So we are taking it back. We are removing it because we don't want to change this color. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood it.